Okay, Crystal. Hey guys, we're playing with our new gadget here. So you can see us. How are you doing? I'm Cameron, General Manager, Palm Harbor, Cleveland, Texas, and this is Crystal Maywald, Sales Manager here.
Hello.
Hello. We're coming to you today for a couple of reasons. One, our summer stimulus package, I'll spit it out in a second, has started. And what does that mean, Crystal?
So what that means is we are giving away stuff again. So which is exciting, right?
Yes.
I know I do. Here's the great thing about it. They got some great packages, meaning you're going to get, is it a Nintendo or, I don't know the difference between.
We're talking about shooting.
Right?
So here we go. Yeah, a gaming system. Let's call it a gaming system.
Oh.
I didn't do my same thing. Gaming system, a grill, and a flat screen TV, because everybody needs a grill and a flat screen.
Right. So let's say you don't want the package. That's okay. What we'll also do is do $2,500 off the price of your home, or you can put that towards porches, steps, gutters, a fence, whatever you may want to, and we can go ahead and include that into the loan for you.
Absolutely. This is for new customers. And we're just excited that summer is on its way. Well, it's already here. It's like 100
It's a
degrees.
sizzling summer, baby.
Yes, it is. The other reason that we're coming to you today is because we have 2 homes that are available for immediate delivery. A lot of people don't want to wait for construction, and we understand that. We're impatient also, so we get it.
Every day.
But we have 2 homes, beautiful homes, both Fort Worth products. One is our Magnum 76-footer, so that home has 4 bedrooms and 2 living rooms.
Yeah.
A
With the
gorgeous
fireplace.
home. Yes, with a fireplace in
With
that
burning.
secondary living area. That's absolutely right. It's got the Texas Star fireplace that everybody loves so much.
No carpet.
Oh yeah, it does not have carpet anywhere. That's an awesome advantage, especially if you've got kids. That home is normally around $160,000. So because it is an immediate availability home, we have that priced at $138,035.
Yeah, she said that.
Awesome.
138. I can't remember other numbers. I just remember.
035.
Yeah, 138. So, y'all, this is a huge home. This is a 30 by 76. So, if you're a big family, you're looking for a huge master, this is the one that has a walk-through shower in it. 3 closets in the master.
Yes, 3.
This floor plan will get you excited about getting a new home.
Sure, for sure. And it's got the, it's got the new colors in it. It's taken texture just about throughout. And then we have one other that's ready for immediate availability. And this one happens to be a Wind Zone 2 home. So if you're on the coast or just
In Victoria, Texas. Did I say?
We love Victoria, by the way.
Yeah. Yes.
So yes, if you're on the coast and you're needing a Wind Zone 2 constructed home, you do not have to wait for construction. This one's available immediately. It's our lovely Arlington 60-footer. It is a 4-bedroom. No, it's a 3-bedroom. It's a 3-bedroom, just kidding, but it does have the 2 living areas. This one you can pick your own appliance package, which is awesome. So come and see that one. That one I've marked all the way down to 112.
Yes, ma'am.
Yep, absolutely. So give us a call today, 281-592-8600. You can visit us at 1152 Frontage Road, and I'm sure Crystal has one last thing she'd like to say.
Why not go to our website, www.cleveland.palmharbor.com. I do have one more thing to say.
Absolutely.
This package here that we're offering, this is on the first visit. So if you come back the next day, sorry. So on the first visit.
And the reason we do that, guys, is because it's an incredible package, and, we like to have a little sense of urgency. So why not buy the first visit? So we can't wait to see you guys. Bye.
Bye.